Home-built aircraft, also known as amateur-built aircraft or kit planes, are constructed by persons for whom this is not a professional activity. These aircraft may be constructed from scratch, from plans, or from assembly kits. Air travel has always been one of the most exciting things in the world. It's actually the fastest way to travel. Planes can carry you from one city to another in minutes, while commercial planes and private jets are made for rather comfortable travel. Small aircraft are typically built to enjoy the flying itself. Before starting the video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 10. SubSonex Jet. If you've ever dreamed of owning a personal jet, now is the time. Sonex Aircraft is proud to present its newest kit aircraft design, the Sonex Aircraft High Wings. Designed for expanded utility, ease of pilot access, and to appeal to the high-wing enthusiast, the Sonex High Wing offers the legendary Sonex performance and handling in a new configuration. The SubSonex extends the Sonex aircraft reality check philosophy to become the first truly practical and affordable personal jet for recreational flying. The first benchmark on the SubSonex reality checklist is the fact that the aircraft has become a reality as an affordable, quick-build kit. Number 9. Berkut 360. The Berkut 360 is a tandem-seating, two-seat home-built canard aircraft with pusher configuration and retractable landing gear. Built primarily of carbon fiber and fiberglass, the aircraft of the Berkut 360 model began to be developed by American aircraft manufacturers in the mid-80s of the last century. In terms of its flight performance, this aircraft was practically no different from the aircraft of that era. However, thanks to its unique and very unusual design, the aircraft was able to quickly gain popularity among potential customers, and in fact, it became in demand precisely because of this. The unusual design of the Berkut 360 aircraft actually does not have a tail section. The main function of the aircraft tail is played by special elements located at the ends of the wings, like winglets. Moreover, such a design did not actually affect flight safety, but made the aircraft more maneuverable. His first flight of the aircraft Berkut 360 was produced in 1989 year. However, the test of the aircraft resulted in the crash of the aircraft. In this connection, the draft was sent for further revision, and after the second round of test flights, the aircraft proved its reliability and entered series production, which was up to 2009 years. Number 8. Lancair 4P. The Lancair 4 and 4P are a family of 4-seat low-wing retractable gear composite monoplanes powered by a 550 cubic inch Continental TSIO 550 twin turbocharged piston engine. Production of the aircraft kit was ended in 2012. The Lancair 4 and 4P series of aircraft kits are out of production. We continue to support these famous aircraft with parts and technical assistance. The Lancair 4 and 4P, a family of 4 seats low-wing retractable gear composite aircraft designed around the Continental TSIO 550, a twin turbocharged engine that is capable of developing 350 horsepower at sea level and capable of operating altitudes as high as 29,000 feet. The Lancair goal in 1990 to design and produce a 345 mph 4-seat pressurized aircraft that could be easily built in one's home workshop. The Lancair 4 proved to be incredibly fast, efficient, and comfortable. Over the years, Lancair pioneered many industry firsts with this aircraft. To begin, it was one of a few single-engine piston aircraft in the history of aviation to achieve a pressurized cabin. It helped make the 4P one of the world's best personal cross-country aircraft. By the end of 2011, 110 Lancair 4s and 254 Ps had been completed and were flying. Production of the aircraft kit was ended in 2012. Number 7. Lancair Legacy. The Lancair Legacy, a modernized version of the Lancair 320, is a low-wing, two-place retractable gear composite monoplane manufactured by the US company Lancair. It's available as a kit that costs $71,500 in 2011. There's also a fixed gear version, the Legacy FG. The retractable version of the Legacy cruises at 276 mph at 8,000 feet, and the fixed gear version cruises at 215 mph. The Lancair Legacy is a two-seat single-engine light aircraft marketed in kit form. It evolved from the Lancair 235-320 series, but with a larger fuselage and more powerful engine. And like them, is a low-wing monoplane of composite construction, with side-by-side seating in an enclosed cockpit. Available in fixed or retractable gear versions, the Legacy RG550, FGC550, and the FG390 family of aircraft are designed with speed as the primary focus. They are efficient in speed, space, and economy. Number 6. Questair Venture. The Questair Venture is a home-built aircraft manufactured by Questair at John Bell Williams Airport in Boston, Mississippi, United States. The aircraft first flew on 1st July 1987. Today, there are approximately 30 Ventures and 3 Spirits flying in the U.S. Questair LLC's primary goal is to provide current owners and builders with certified parts and technical support, and second, to create an exciting future for the Venture aircraft. In 2013, the ownership of the Questair Venture was transitioned to Dan Myers and Jim Cook, partners in Questair Venture LLC. This transition included acquiring production molds, assembly fixtures, machine equipment, partial kits, piece parts, and a significant portion of the engineering and manufacturing records. Number 5. Swearingen SX300. The Swearingen SX300 is a high-performance home-built aircraft featuring 2 seats and developed by Ed Swearingen, 1925 to 2014, of San Antonio, Texas during the 1980s. The aircraft was offered as a kit, but the kit was not a comprehensive kit like contemporary designs, and its construction was beyond the abilities of the average amateur aircraft builder. The plane features a 300 horsepower, 220 kilowatt, 6-cylinder engine. Fundamentally, this was accomplished. However, the complexity and the labor-intensive kit proved to be too challenging for the home-built market. The kit was high quality, but the aircraft was never kit-proofed by the factory, so there were numerous glitches from the beginning. If the aircraft had been offered as a fast-built kit, it may well have survived. Number 4. Thunder Mustang. The unmistakable shape and sound of a P-51 Mustang screaming close over the ground is an unforgettable experience for many. Today, there are fewer than 300 P-51 Mustangs in various conditions, airworthy, collections, or in storage accounted for in the world, and the numbers are diminishing. It's a beautiful airplane. The lure of the Mustang has spun off into the home-built market with scaled-down replicas. The one that tops the market is the Thunder Mustang, a kit plane originally from Idaho, which outperforms the original wartime P-51D. Number 3. Turbine Legend. The Turbine Legend is an American sports monoplane designed by Performance Aircraft for sale as a kit for amateur construction. Quality is not only important in building the kit parts, but also in assembling the airplane. An airplane of this performance requires a high level of discipline when mixing adhesive and bonding structures. The kit is available in the fast-built form, which means that most of the structural bonding is completed at the factory. Most builders will utilize builder assistance companies that have the climate and quality control needed to ensure that the remaining bonds are strong and the resulting airframe is structurally sound. Number 2. Lancair Evolution. The Lancair Evolution is an American pressurized low-wing 4-place single-engine light aircraft made from carbon fiber composite developed by Lancair and supplied as an amateur-built kit by Evolution Aircraft. The Lancair Evolution is a 4-seat all-composite pressurized high-performance single-engine turboprop-powered airplane. The Evolution brings a sleek carbon fiber airframe, advanced systems, and a powerful Pratt & Whitney engine providing reliability and performance. The Evolution not only provides great speed as fast as 300 knots at max cruise, but it also has a wide flight envelope with a 61 knot stall speed, which is the FAA mandated number for certified single-engine airplanes. The benign stall characteristics have enabled Evo to keep a clean accident record with at least 34 airplanes flying to date. Being in the amateur-built category enables Lancair to provide all this at a previously unattainable price point, putting the airplane in its own niche. Number 1. BD-10. When the BD-10 was announced, it was billed as the world's first and only supersonic jet kit aircraft. The BD-10 was built by BD Jet Corporation and features a totally different design from previous BD design crafts. This high-performance airplane flew and handled beautifully and exceeded the high expectations of engineers, pilots, and even its own creator, Jim Bead. The BD-10 was equipped with a General Electric J85 engine, which was commonly implemented in military craft and was virtually identical to the very reliable civilian counterpart, the General Electric CJ610, as popularized by early Lear jets. This unique jet functioned using an all-mechanic control system, eliminating the expensive heavyweight hydraulic system often used in jet airplanes. The BD-10 also incorporated a high-functioning fuel management system that siphoned fuel accordingly and recycled the vapors. The technology soon became obsolete, and the high fuel consumption rendered the engine impractical for this design. Currently, revisions are underway for the BD-10 that will allow them to be equipped with a more modern, highly efficient fan engine.